Welcome everyone to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how to manage your privacy settings on the Botim app, specifically focusing on controlling who can see your last seen status. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Then, click on the Last Seen option. This setting determines who can see the last time you were active on Botim. You will see 4 choices: everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. After that, choose the option that fits your preference. If you want all users to see your last seen, select everyone. If you only want your saved contacts to view it, choose My Contacts. You can also exclude specific contacts by selecting My Contacts except. Finally, if you prefer complete privacy, choose Nobody. Finally, after selecting your preferred option, your settings will be automatically updated. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more useful guides.